So you just build an web app and it works perfectly in the browser. But now you want it in your phone as a real Android application. Today I am going to show you how you can convert a web app into a mobile application, especially an Android application. Here is exactly what you need to have ready on your machine. Number 1. Node.js. Number 2. Android Studio. We are not going to code in it, but we need this because it provides all the tools that we need to convert our application. Number 3. Web app. Have a file ready with your all codes and everything. And also you need to install Java JDK, especially Java JDK 17. If you have these 4 things, you are ready. Cordova wants Java JDK 17. That's why you need to install specifically this one. You can find all the links in the description of all the applications that I am suggesting you. Once you have all these installs, let me show you how you can set up all these things. Open your Windows search bar and type environment variables. And you need to click on this one, edit the environment variables. When you will click here, this window will appear. Here you need to click on environment variables. Got it? So now what you need to do is, in the system variables, you need to click on new and you need to name it Java Home. The way I have done it, let me show you. Here, Java Home, and you need to give the path of that Java Home, like the Java that you have installed. Then you need to add one more thing, that is Android Home. When you will write the name, after writing the name, you need to point out the Android SDK that you have installed. Basically the Android Studio that you have installed, you need to point out that. If you want, you can also add this in user variable, okay? So you can add that Java Home, like the directory of the Java, in the user also. After doing all these things, let me show you what you need to do in the terminal so you can actually convert your web app into Android app. Then you need to open the terminal. Let me show you how you can do that. After opening the terminal, here you need to type a command which is npm i-g Cordova. What it will do is it will install Cordova globally in your IDE. Got it? Then you need to navigate to the path where you want to save the application. Like here, as you can see, I am already in that path. So after this, you need to type a command which is Cordova create and the name of the folder that you want to keep. Suppose I want to keep the name as mobile app. So I will do that. When you will run this, a new folder will be created here. As you can see on the left hand side, it is already created. Got it? Mobile app. So here you can see there is a folder which is www. This is the root folder where you need to paste all the files of your application, of your web application. Got it? So first what I will do is delete everything which is inside this folder. So you can paste your things. You need to delete all this. After deleting all this, you need to copy all the things from your application. Here you can see I am taking everything from here and I will go to mobile app, and in www I will paste these things. Okay? You need to change the name of the application. You can do that. You can also change the splash screen, logo and everything. Okay, I will not go into that thing. You can figure it out. That is easy. After that, you need to add the Android platform in your application. So first you need to navigate to the folder which you have created, cd mobile app. Okay, and after that you need to run this command Cordova platform add Android. So this will do is this will add the platform for the Android application, so you can convert your application. It's done. Now you need to, like I have already done this, but if anything goes wrong, you need to copy this again, and after copying this, you need to paste this here in the www folder. First you need to delete all this. After that you need to paste everything in here. After doing all these things, you need to run a command here which will convert this web app into an Android application. If there is something else required, then you will get some errors. So what you can do, whatever the error will be there in the terminal, you need to copy that error and paste it here in the chat. So the AI will solve that immediately, because so many times you will not be able to figure it out how you need to solve this, how you can solve that. Okay, so that's what you can do. And yeah, I think it will solve that. Let me show you by building that application, converting that this web app into a mobile application. Let me show that. Let me go to that folder which have I created, so my app. Now here what we need to do is we just need to run this command Cordova build Android. Now this will make a new APK which will be saved in your file path. Now it is converting the web application into a mobile application, and you will get the path of the APK in the end. Like error, if you will get any error, you need to do the same thing. Like you need to copy that error and paste it in the AI, and you can ask why you got error and tell them to fix it, because it will make your process very easy and it will consume it will take very less time. So that's what you can do. Okay, and you can also ask me in the comment section whatever you whatever you are facing. So that's what you can do, bro. So now you can see here I got the path of the APK. Got it? Now what I'll do, I'll copy this path, I'll go to my file, and here I will paste this and remove this apk.debug.apk. Okay, now I'll enter, click on enter. You can copy this and send it to your WhatsApp. After when you will send it to your WhatsApp, let me show you that. Let me send it to my phone and let me install it in front of you, so you all can see that also. So here you can see the APK I got in my phone. Now what I'll do is I'll install it in front of you. You can change the logo and everything, splash screen and everything. Okay, you can figure it out. It is very easy. There is a folder where you can do all these things. Like you can paste your own splash screen and logo, and it will, when you will convert your web app into Android, it will be automatically generated. So now I have installed that. Let me show you. Here you can see in the mobile phone. Okay, you can properly run this. Let me click on continue as a guest. When you will click on this, you will get the interface of the application. Okay, you can choose male, female, whatever it is. Here everything is working properly. Got it? And you can see that basically it is working properly, right? So that's how you can convert your web app into an Android application. And if you want to upload this on Play Store, there is some more files that is required, so that is a whole another process. But yeah, this is how you can convert your web app into mobile application, and yeah, that's how you can distribute it. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment section, and subscribe if you like the video, and if you want to know anything, you can ask me in the comment. Thanks for watching.